had a request for why I use the paperclip. So the reason I found to use the paperclip is when you're crocheting, when you're starting a new round or a new row with a different color, it's kind of nice to have the end that you're not going to use weighted so it's out of your way. And that just kind of reminds you as you're starting your project that this is the end that you are not going to pull your stitches from. Sometimes it can be confusing and you'll start crocheting only to realize if you've left a long tail that you're crocheting and using up the tail end of the yarn. So that's my reason for using the paperclip.